I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we are going to understand how to factor quadratic equations with leading coefficient greater than 1. Here is an example. Factor fully, if possible, 2x squared plus 3x minus 9. I'll show you two different ways of factoring. Now, they are quite similar, but you can adopt the one which you like. Now we have 2x squared plus 3x minus 9, leading coefficient is 2, which is greater than 1. So we are looking for two numbers. Let us say the numbers are p and q, whose product is 2 times minus 9, AC, right? 2 times minus 9 is minus 18. And sum of these two numbers should be what? Plus 3. Their sum should be plus 3. That is what we are looking for. So minus 18 and plus 3, that means the bigger number should be positive, smaller negative. 6 times 3 is 18, so we can write 6 and minus 3. Now in the first technique, what we do is we write 3x as combination of these two. So we get the equation as equal to 2x squared plus 6x minus 3x minus 9. So what we did at this stage is we wrote 3x as combination of 6x minus 3x. Now that helps us to factor. You can group the first two and the next two. So trinomial has been written as 4 terms. Now if you group them, then you can factor 2x from the first group. We'll get x plus 3. And from the second group, we can factor minus 3, right? So we again get x plus 3. Remember, always these will be same. If not, something is wrong. You have to look into that, okay? X plus 3 is now a common factor between these two terms. So you can factor that out. So we get x plus 3 times 2x minus 3. That is how you factor, and this is one of the methods. Now we'll talk about the other method. The alternate way of doing it is we start with the same equation, 2x squared plus 3x minus 9. We look for two numbers whose product is 2 times minus 9 minus 18, and the sum is 3. So till here it is exactly same. Now once you get your two numbers, then what you can do is you can write it as factor of two numbers. Take 2x, the whole thing, right? 2x along with the first number, which is plus 6 for us. Okay, I should have written 2x plus 6. And then 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. Remember, if you multiply 2x with 2x, you're going to get 4x squared, not 2x squared. So we should be dividing this by 2. So the rule here is that these two numbers are part of your factors, and the first number in both the factors is exactly same as the leading term. I mean the 2x along with 2, right? Now, and you have to always divide it by the leading coefficient, correct? Next, 2x plus 6 can be simplified. You can divide it by 2. So what do you get? You get x plus 3, and you already have 2x minus 3. So that is how you can factor it. This is faster. It saves you one step, gets you to the same result, right? So in any case, we have two different methods here. You can practice with both, right? And adopt the one which you like, correct? We'll go through a couple of more examples with variations to this quadratic equation. And then you decide on your own how to factor. But important thing is you should be in a position to factor efficiently. Thank you and all the best.